From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, biotech stocks dragged the S&P down and the VIX up. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 2089 even early. The low came in at 2053.80 just now. At last, we're 2053.80. We're down 31 handles. Total volume is decent. We have 1.7 million minis traded and 8,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, the MIM had this right. It came out 300 million to 400 million for sale. It dropped down to 737 million for sale. And the actual MOC came out, like I thought, sell 1.7 billion. Tomorrow we have the St. Louis Federal Reserve Bank President James Bullard's speech on the economy and monetary policy in Frankfurt, Germany. We have the Jobless Claims. We have the Atlantic Federal Reserve Bank President Dennis Lockhart's discussion on monetary policy and outlook in Detroit. We have the PMI Manufacturing Flash. We have the EIA Natural Gas Report. We have the Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index. We have a seven-year note auction. We have money supply and the Fed balance sheet. Now look, I don't think I've heard the term bubble being used as much as we've been hearing it over the last couple of days as I have since late 1999, 2000 when the tech bubble came about. Now, right now, biotech stocks make up 13% of the Nasdaq and accounted for 27% of the Nasdaq's total gains last year. Biotech shares are up 27. We're up 27% going into today, and up 17% on the year. Now, this is kind of spooky, all coinciding with the old highs in the Nasdaq back in 2000. So there is a little bit of a concern here, and especially the way the markets hold off late in the day. You got weakness coming out of Europe. You have gold moving higher. And you know what? Once the MIM started showing 400 million to sell, the S&P just tanked. It was one sell program after another. You know what? We're going to leave it like that, you guys. I suspected that as we would go into the end of the quarter and the quarterly rebalance that we'd start to see some type of selling like this. On the opening print today, I didn't have anything about buying anything. It was a straight out sell the rally's call. We're going to leave it like that, traders. Things don't look so hot going out on the close, but you know how quickly that can change. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.